Let's make Japanese-style Mentaiko spaghetti.
When we talk about Japanese Italian fusion dishes, this is on top of the list. It's for the busy people because it only takes minutes. First, put cubes of butter into a bowl. Add a little Parmesan cheese and slice up some spring onions. Then you can chop up some coriander or parsley. And if you have them, you can also chop up some shiso leaves. Mentaiko is preserved pollock roe. It's a Korean product and you can find two versions of it, spicy and non-spicy. This time I'm using non-spicy. That's why I'm adding so many herbs. But if you're gonna use the spicy version, all you need is to add a little bit of spring onions and that should be perfect. Add a little Japanese soy sauce, and if you don't have that, you can add some Chinese first draw soy sauce. A little bit of fresh cracked black pepper will go a long way. I've cooked my spaghetti perfectly and I'm gonna take it straight out of the pot and into the bowl. Don't worry that the pasta water clings onto the pasta because you need that to melt the butter and the cheese together. This is when the magic happens. Take a ladle of pasta water and pour it in. As you start mixing again, the butter will melt and the pasta will start glistening, inviting you to start that meal. Thank you for tuning in to Chinglish Cooking Club. All the recipes are in the comment section below. And if you like this recipe, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And we will continue to provide quick and tasty Asian and Chinese recipes for you to have a yummy life. Now go and treat yourself to some Mentaiko spaghetti.